Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll quickly revise the 8 taxonomical aids which are given in NCERT. So let's begin with herbarium. Herbarium is a storehouse of plant specimens where the plants will be collected, dried and pressed on these herbarium sheets. Okay, they are specialized sheets which are called as herbarium sheets. Generally for a school and college projects, what we do, we use newspapers, right? We use dry newspapers to do this. Now what is this herbarium sheet? What does it contain? It has a label. On our notebooks we have a label, right? So like this herbarium sheet has a label, and what all will be present in that label? Date and place of the collection. So for example, let a plant be plant A. We'll name it plant A. Now for this plant, who collected it? Okay, that will be there. Collector's name, who collected it, from where they collected it, on which date they collected it. All these will be present. The English name, local name and botanical name will be present, and the family, to what family that plant belongs, that will also be present on this label. I hope now you are clear with herbarium. Okay, and one more thing is, herbaria serve as quick referral systems in taxonomical studies. Now I am seeing a plant and I want to identify this plant. What will I do immediately? I'll go and check the herbaria and I'll see which plant this is. So it is a quick referral system to refer to something. Okay, this is it. Let's go to botanical garden. They have living plants for reference. They are used for identification purposes and each plant is labeled, right? Now 3 important botanical gardens are given with their location. Kew Botanical Garden is located in England. Indian Botanical Garden is located in Howrah. NBRI, National Botanical Research Institute, is located in Lucknow. That's it for Botanical Garden. Let's go to museum. Museum, if you see, preserved plant and animal specimens are present in a museum for study and reference purposes. If you see, insects are pinned and on insect boxes, right? Insects are pinned and kept in insect boxes. Mammals and birds are stuffed in containers, and animals, the skeletons of animals will also be present in museum. Plants and animals will be preserved in museum. So if you see, museum has a variety of organisms which are preserved for study and reference purposes. Insects, mammals and birds, skeletons of animals, plants and animals will be present. Now let's go to zoological park. Wild animals are kept in protected environments. We know about a zoo or a zoological park. And one more thing you have to know is, the animals are not in their natural habitat, but the zookeepers and the organization of the zoo tries to maintain a natural habitat, but it is really not a natural habitat. You should know this. To learn about their food habits and behavior, we are doing like this. What are we doing? We are just bringing the animals from their native places and we are trying to provide them, with a natural habitat, and we are learning about their food habits and behavior. This is a zoo. Okay, and key, if you see, it is for the identification of plants and animals based on similarities and differences, based on contrasting characters in a pair called couplet. If you see, what is a key? Now I just saw a flower and now I want to find what flower it is and what plant it is. What will I do? I'll come and check the key. Okay, if it is a white flower, the key will tell this flower is this, and if it's a yellow flower, it will say this flower is this, like that. 2 contrasting characters will be present in a pair which is called a couplet, and each statement is called a lead. One more thing you have to note, which is very important, is there are separate keys for separate taxonomic categories. For kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species, these are all separate taxonomic categories, and for each taxonomic category there is a different key. Okay, and keys are generally analytical in nature. You're doing an analysis kind of thing. Let's go to flora. Habitat and distribution of plants of a given area can be identified using flora. So flora is for plants only, not for animals, and it provides the index to the plant species of a given area. Manuals, if you see, it is for the identification of the names of species found in an area. Okay, that's it. Then monograph, if you see, the word mono tells you that it provides information on only one taxon or any one taxon. So this is it, and if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.